The crash wasn't my fault. The driver pulled out without looking.
He was fine, luckily. But my girlfriend was in the passenger seat.
And she got whiplash. Nothing too serious. But she ended up wearing a neck brace for a while. So to make a medical claim, she had to draw a diagram of the accident.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting there with her in the insurance firm. I realize she's gone silent for ages. So I look over, and what do I see?
Tell me.
My cookie girlfriend has torn the incident report into this amazing work of art. There's a dog with a shocking expression,
Yeah.
a child who drops her ice cream, screaming onlookers, and a thought bubble in which she's written, "Oops!" At that moment, I knew she was the one.
That's so sweet. How long have you been together?
About a month. The accident was last week. Yeah.